there. In front of us.
Look at how big it is.
Oh, look, there's 3 right there.
What? What were you looking at? Oh, over here.
Oh yeah, oh, stay over here. Oh, baby monkey.
Oh, look, somebody gave him banana, that's why.
I'm not
Oh,
sure.
nice.
He's a big dude, that one up there.
Wow, look at that.
Talking.
Oh, who gave you the banana?
Oh, he dropped them. He gonna get them. Oh, smart.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he got the bait right here.
Oh, there's a banana.
Oh, banana, Steve. He's offering you banana.
That's what they eat.
Oh, don't jump in the boat.
Oh, that's a mommy. Look at her.
Don't jump in the boat.
No fear.
Mommy got it. No?
Oh, there's plenty monkey.
Whoa!
Monkey fight. Oh, no. Oh,
Go get it. No, you go get it. Hey! Ah!
You're coming down the mountain.
here you go.
Oh,
You
that
may
little
want
baby
to
didn't get anything.
Gotta get a good arm.
And that's why they all came down.
Oh,
Good job! Sign him!
Oh, I got it.
Better than my son. Here, buddy.
Can we?
Wait, did you see that? He caught it.
I think it's a sheep.
Mommy,
Here, buddy.
you got a feeling? Oh, she's good.
Good video?
Just observing.
big pig.
Ready?
Okay, throw. Oh, wow. Who threw that?
Oh, Jim.
I thought they were.
Oh, my.
Watch it.
Oh,
They get in the water? Not much.
got it. You got it.
Oh, that one. No wonder that one's the biggest one.
yeah.
He's good at this.
Oh, there's a baby.
Oh, the baby, so cute.
You get it up there?
Oh, darn. Oh, he,
That big one gets everything.
yeah, he like
That's why he's a big
referred
one.
to the big guy. He's so tiny. He's too nice.
Oh, cool.
He looked past it. Anybody else want to throw? We got more.
No, throw one so I can take a peek.
Baby wants
I
one.
know. Let the baby.
Oh, he got the
He
skin.
eats the pig. Poor thing.
Oh, that one just catches it
I
in
know.
the air.
That's why he's huge.
One of the babies went straight up.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's super cool.
They're just hanging around in the trees and stuff.
That little one
Ah,
peel.
You know, it's so
cute.
Oh.
Look around and say, okay.
Whoa.
You get
Coming.
by the bigger one.
Those things can really move. She's gonna get it.
Oh, the bigger one got
See?
it.
Oh, what a brat. And he knows to peel it too. That's what's funny.
Oh, look at them. They're grooming each other. So sad.
Oh, now they're fighting. Oh,
Oh, wow.
now they're showing Oh. off. Oh.
I'm not worried about falling.
Big climbers. Born to climb.
Yeah.
Oh, look at way up there.
Oh,
Yeah,
way up
a lot of
there.
them out there.
Oh, wow.
Putting up a show.
Wow. Yeah, they are showing.
Oh, you don't have food? That's why.
They don't know where they're going to land when you jump. Yeah, we'll figure it out when we get there.
You're a pretty good rock climber, dude.
Wow, yeah, look at him.
Isn't it sharp?
It's like, where are we going?
Oh, he's like. That's what when he tried. When he jumped in the boat.
Trying to get the mommy.
That was interesting.
Jump on top of that L. Okay.